Welcome to this tutorial on how to create captivating storybooks using AI tools. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step from generating story ideas with AI to designing your book. Stay tuned till the end because I will also show you how to make it flip using both paid and free tools. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generating story ideas. The first step is to ask AI tools for story ideas. In this demo, I'm using ChatGPT. Begin by providing some basic information about your story, such as the character's age and name. ChatGPT will then generate a list of 10 ideas. Choose one or combine several to create your unique story concept. For a more detailed prompt, you can specify your preferences. Once you have selected an idea, ChatGPT can assist you in writing the chapters. I'm going to write 5 chapters as an example, but feel free to write as many as you'd like. Step 2. Using AI image generation. Now that we have our chapters ready, let's move on to creating images for our story using an AI image generator. I'll be using Leonardo, which I have found to be great at producing consistent characters. When using Leonardo, be sure to provide a detailed character description in your prompt to maintain consistency across images. If you need different images of the same character, just include the character description in the prompt. Keep in mind that while the images may not be exact matches, they will be very close. A quick tip: I tried image-to-image generation, but it wasn't very helpful, often ignoring the prompt. There might be a trick to it that I'm not aware of. I also want to mention that for this example, I started with a free account on Leonardo, but I quickly ran out of credits, mainly due to my efforts to achieve consistent characters, especially when I turned on alchemy for more realistic images. If you plan to use Leonardo extensively or for profit, I encourage you to explore their subscription options. Step 3. Creating your storybook. Once you have generated all the images, it's time to bring your story to life with Canva. Here is how to do it. In the Canva interface, under Create a Design, look for Storybook and click on it. This will take you to Print Photo Books with sample templates. As you have your images ready, select Blank Pages. Begin by uploading your images to the site. Creating each page is a straightforward process. I'll show you how to create the first page. Select an image by clicking on it, adjust it manually, or set it as the background to fill the page. Then add the text. Simply copy the text from ChatGPT and paste it in Canva. Customize the text color and font to your liking. Repeat this process for all your pages. Once all your pages are ready, it's time to download them as a PDF. To make your storybook flip like a real book, you can use various tools. In this example, I use Designrr. I have a lifetime access to this platform with only $27. And here is the final product. You can also use free tools. This is an example of one called Flip It. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted storybook created with the help of AI tools. I hope this guide has been helpful in sparking your creativity. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.